In today's video, we're looking at how to force quit an app in macOS. This can be useful for if an app's no longer responding or if you need to shut down the app and have nothing you want to save. This will often override options to save your work, so please make sure you've saved your work before force quitting the app. I'm just going to open up Safari, and now if let's say it stopped responding for whatever reason, I could press the Command key, Option key, and Escape key to open our force quit window, and using this we can force quit any app we need. And with our Finder it's relaunch, as we cannot quit the Finder in macOS. And there we are. Thanks for watching. Visit kazzicom.com for more information on IT support, cloud solutions, Office 365 and many other services.